Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by eliminating the simplest physical causes, power and cables. Unplug modem for 30 seconds, plug it back, wait about 2 minutes, then restart the router. Once done, connect a laptop directly with an Ethernet cable to bypass wireless variables and see if the problem persists. Make sure device network settings are set to automatic DHCP. If lights on the modem don't stabilize, note them. That tells you whether the issue is local or the ISP. Next, you dig into network behavior so you know what's failing and why. Run ping to the gateway and to 8. Traceroute shows where packets stop. Then release and renew the device IP and flush DNS to eliminate stale assignments. Check router firmware and change Wi-Fi channel if interference appears. Switch a device to 5 GHz for less congestion. Once done, test speeds and latency again to verify improvements before proceeding to hardware replacement. For final resolution, you'll either restore proper settings or replace hardware. Back up your router config, then perform a factory reset if firmware tests failed. Reapply minimal settings and retest. If problems persist, contact your ISP and provide modem light patterns and any logs you captured so they can check the line. As a troubleshooting tip, isolate the issue by using a phone hotspot or a different modem, if that works. The problem is local to your equipment and should be replaced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.